Lithium motorcycle batteries are a new and cutting-edge technology slowly taking the industry by storm. There's currently a heaping load of fly-by-night brands saturating the market with poor quality products sold with extremely eye-catching warranties and selling points. As a consumer, you have to really analyze these battery brands because a large deal of them are not operating on a sustainable business model that will last and yield longevity on your end for the time to come. A vast majority of lithium motorcycle batteries are being made with recycled materials under conditions where quality control is not a priority during the manufacturing process. Banshee Batteries has been manufacturing and selling the baddest AGM batteries on the planet, equipped with industry-leading CCAs and even having the longest warranty industry-wide with 4 years on their sealed lead acid or AGM motorcycle batteries. Banshee Batteries is utilizing their 2 decades of experience and expertise to offer consumers everywhere affordable, high-performance lithium motorcycle batteries. When you purchase a lithium motorcycle battery, choose a reputable brand that will provide great performance and an exceptional experience and also stand by their product. Consider things like what quality materials are utilized in the manufacturing process. Banshee currently manufactures the best SLA or AGM motorcycle batteries in the industry. Now that they've set their focus on lithium, Banshee introduced a superior line of lithium motorcycle batteries that consists of batteries made and manufactured with only the highest grade materials and a very detailed quality control process. When you think of lithium motorcycle batteries, think Banshee. Not only are they manufacturing these batteries with grade A lithium cells in an extremely controlled manufacturing environment under pristine conditions, unlike these other battery brands. Banshee is one of the only lithium motorcycle battery brands you can call and reach customer support with a live breathing human and almost immediately get someone on the phone. Don't be fooled with their extreme lightweight design. Banshee lithium motorcycle batteries offer 3 times the extended life of conventional batteries and also superior cranking power that is approximately 70% more than their AGM counterparts. Banshee lithium motorcycle batteries are completely sealed and constructed to withstand any environment, cold, hot, steady, or shaky. And don't take my word for it. Check out Banshee's lithium line of motorcycle batteries below. Remember, it's not a battery, it's a Banshee.